For you, the first time you meet me, I welcome you on this channel. This is the channel called Some Motivator. I am here to help everyone who want to succeed in his or her life. If it's your first time to find yourself on this channel, you may subscribe so that our next video may be reached to you easily. Hanyuma reka nizere ko mukomeje kumera neza hirya no hino aho muri mu bice bigiye bitandukanye. Uyu munsi nje kuvuga uburyo twakwiprovinga ubuzima bwacu bwa buri munsi cyangwa se ibyo mu ndimi z'amahanga bita personal growth. First of all, personal growth start with communication. You cannot grow for yourself, you grow from other connections from different people. Means that you have to connect with the people so as to increase your personal growth. Ni ukuvuga ngo rero abantu benshi bajya bibwira yuko baziga ku giti cyabo, baziyigisha ubwabo bakagera aho bagera, ariko ibi bintu ntabwo bishoboka kubera yuko ikintu cyose ushatse kwiga hari abandi bakize mbere yawe, ntabwo ari wowe mushyashya, ntabwo ari ikintu uje kuvumbura. Means that you have to connect yourself to the people are better than you. In your career, there is people who started before you. They are very experienced in that thing. You have to connect yourself to others. Na ikintu cya mbere rero nakubwira ni uko ugomba gukuza communication yawe. Gukuza communication yawe si nkubwiye ngo genda wiyamamaze, oya, ahubwo shaka find a way to find what it takes. For example, learn English speaking, learn Kiswahili speaking, learn French speaking, but most English speaking. Because the English is not listen, it is communication. English can communicate you from many people from different areas, many countries. Some people knows how to read English, to listen to English, to write, but speaking is the most difficult thing. Nawe birashoboka yuko rero ibintu byo kuvuga bijya bikugora cyane. Just there is some tips you have to understand so that you can be English speaker. Number one, don't wait for perfect time to speak. Some of us think that we shall be speaking English after our studies, after our graduating, when we are going to discuss ourselves in some interview, and even when it is necessary, but don't wait for perfect time. Just start now. Start speaking English for yourself. Speak to yourself. Speak to your phone, recording your voice and listen to yourself. Keep speaking. Make it a daily habit. Small daily habit is better than doing a whole day without habit. Ndavuze ngo rero uko ugenda uvuga gake gake ariko buri munsi, ibi bigira impact ikomeye cyane kurenza uko wavuga amasaha abiri muri interview cyangwa se muri defense cyangwa se mu bindi bintu bigiye bitandukanye. The more you speak, the more you grow.